Power knee. Okay. Next. 3-axis digital readout. This is a brand new machine you're looking at here. We got a. You're gonna have a work vise. There you go. You got power drawbar, work vise. You got power knee, power X, power Y. Set of collets and a holder. Here's the tooling that comes with the mill, new. Here's your collets. It's got an electric one-shot lube. And there's a set of hold downs, new. Very nice mill. Ready to go. Thank you for watching.